Hi, Alan Stratton from Woodturning. For this project, I thought, let's make a cable saver. You know, the thing that manages all the cables that go to and from your computer. And there's a lot of cables there. So I thought, well, how do I make that sort of thing in wood? Well, gotta have a hole in it, I think. It's gotta be a big enough hole to put the cord through. And then, oh, well, does it stand up? Does it lay down? Or is it off center? Is it what? So I considered a lot of things and then a lot of ways to mount it, and I finally came up with a simple design. This is now just a simple little round donut almost, and I'll let it lay down and hold the cords in place. So this seems like a simple project. I've spent a lot of brainwaves trying to think about it and enhance it. So 2 questions. What would you do to make a cable saver, and is this too simple of a project for a wood turning video? Let me know. Meanwhile, let's make this cable saver. This is my second block of ash. The first is in the firewood pile. I'm mounting it to the face of my chuck jaws with pressure from the live center. I'm cutting the wood down to a size that will fit in my chuck. My plan is evolving. Originally, I thought to cut a recess in the middle of the outer perimeter and use it to hold the wood. As I'm cutting this wood back, I have a much better idea. That is, cut 2 shallow tenons on each face of the wood. As a plus, these tenons easily remove over the edge when I'm finished with them. Now to expand the chuck jaws as much as possible. This wide, the jaw corners will likely dig in and leave a mark. I'll be able to cut these away. Next, I'm drilling out the center with a 1 3/4 inch Forstner bit. I only want to drill about 2/3 the way through the wood. Now flip the wood around to the other side and complete the hole so that it does not break out. Since I rarely can hit the middle of the wood when it's spinning, I'm marking a line in the center. I only want to round to this point. Well, at least that was the plan. Then sand the round over up through all the grits. Next, flip the wood again and around over the middle on this side. That line in the middle, well, it's long gone. And sand this area also. Now for the outside corner. I'm mounting the wood on the long-nosed jaws in an expansion hold. I was a little nervous whether it would run true without a tenon, but it is close enough. Again, I round it over with a spindle gouge and sand it thoroughly. And for the final outside corner, will it run true enough to finish? Close enough, and sand it thoroughly. For a finish, I'm wiping it down with walnut oil. It brightens up very nicely. I like my simple wood cable saver. It is harder than it looks. Simple and yet functional, and it's wood. I spent way too much time thinking about mounting options and even multi-axis options. Simple is good. This was fun. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe on my website, tell your friends, and send me your comments and questions. Every week, I make a new wood turning video. Please wear your full face shield, even on simple projects. Goggles are not enough protection. Until next week's video, this is Alan Stratton from Woodturning.